Hi guys, I'm on my way to Montana's to celebrate my girlfriend's birthday. Now, we were supposed to go to a really nice restaurant, a Jerusalem restaurant where there's belly dancing and everything. However, the weather just kiboshed everything. So we thought, let's stay local. So, stay tuned. We're here. Oh, it's crazy. We're crazy. Jazz.
Gonna find an entrance.
Here we are. Look at my hair. Woo. So there are other people that aren't as crazy as us.
I'm gonna call the.
Okay.
Oh no, this is cute. What is this?
Okay, open it, but be
Oh, it's
careful.
open.
Yeah, yeah, open it that way.
Different.
Take a sip. Take a sip.
Oh, it's oh my,
It's
love
gin.
This. I know, I love this. This is because I know they're thinking it's a bracelet.
It is a bracelet.
It is awesome. Oh, it is cute. What you put in there?
Gin.
Gin.
Yeah, because I know you like gin.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And that's why I had to see you
This
today.
one from August. Oh, you
Yes.
were talking. Remember the last time we
that's why I had
spent
to- yes.
Thank you.
So that was in a plastic container, but I took it out of the plastic container and I bought you a glass container because you can
Nice.
reuse it for lunch or whatever.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
And your card.
Oh, here's a card.
Well, because I was so hungry, I started eating, and then I'm like, oh, I forgot to take my video. So mac and cheese with beef, it's yummy, and cornbread. And this is, what is this, Jasmine?
This is buttermilk chicken, fried chicken
Oh, yum, looks good. Is it good?
with mashed potatoes and veggies,
Looks yummy.
cornbread.
Not bad, Montana's. Well, Montana's was great. We're on our way home. Catch you on the next video.
So it's my